Living water cross. Sand roughly, then wood filler. I'm using natural, and apply a thin coat all over on a dry piece of wood. Just spread it out. Here I washed my hands and then smoothed the cross. I'm getting ready for the unicorn spit. Using Midnight's Blackness unicorn spit. Just dropping where I'd like to see some either rocks, trees, something dark in an overall look of this cross. Lemon Kiss. This is one of my favorite color combinations. The Midnight's Blackness with Lemon Kiss makes the mossiest green. Use a brush that has a little bit of stiffness in the bristle and let the fun begin. Start mixing colors right into the Famo wood right there. And as you do, you can shape rocks, trees, other things like you're sculpting, but you're also using color to shade and highlight. It's an amazing, amazing experience. Lost in the therapy of it. So when I get up to the cross part, I know this is where my lake is going to be. So I want to make some darkness around the outside edges of that cross part, because that will highlight the water, the lake in the center of the cross, and that's the highlight because it's a living water cross. So darkness around the edges. When I first started painting trees, I tried to paint them like individual branches and stuff. Now I just make squiggly tree-like shape, and I like that much better. And then I can go back in later once it's almost finished and highlight into a better tree shape. But in the very beginning, just the idea of where I want branches, trees, greenery, that is what works best for me. But you do you. Okay, let's talk lake water. I like using dark colors, browns, greens, things like that, under where my water is going to go. It gives me depth. So I take that same brush, that same green, and just slide it all over through the Famo wood. Just happily tap, tap, tapping along. Okay, here we're getting to the good part. It's either going to be like the waterfall above it, or I love archways and arbors. And how about some Oceanus Artistic Variation for the water and waterfall? Okay, here's the fun part. Watch how Oceanus, when mixed with the Famo wood and also black and the Lemon Kiss yellow, changes. It's like some stay Oceanus blue, others go into some limey looking teal. It's absolutely fabulous. It actually creates ripples in the water for you, shading and highlights. It's magical. I just want to get the idea of where the water is going to be coming down, get some color of it in there. And it's neat when your brush makes all these little divots and stuff in the Famo wood, because all that texture adds to it in the end. Okay, let's do our waterfall. A drop of Oceanus and a drop of whitening unicorn spit. And then apparently Zia Teal caught my eye and I thought I'd add some of her. Why not? And more white. I dip my brush in a little Celine. It is a white iridescent, somewhat sheer, but absolutely fabulous. Because it's sheer, it works great for reflection, sunlight, any highlights you want, and you can still see the color underneath of it. So it's a dream for water. Okay, as I come close to the edge where it's going to start flowing over, I build it up just a little bit. So when I pull it down over this Famo wood, it flows. because we are working with a wet Fama wood underneath. So look at the sheerness of it. You can see it's like it's actual water because you can see the Fama wood behind it. It's magical. Oh my gosh, you guys, you've got to try this. It's so fun. Every once in a while, I like to take a step back and assess the overall look of it. I believe we needed some Zeus. Here we go, Zeus Artistic Vivations. Zeus is a nice dark gold, and it really catches the light well. When I introduce a new color to a painting I'm working on, I like to bring it down into other spots as well. So it's not just sitting in one area of the painting, it's kind of dispersed. And that's just one of my pet peeves. You do you. I think adding a little highlight of whitening at the top of the cross will be nice. Kind of bring your focus back up there. It's going to need a little fine tuning, little highlights or some smoothing here and there. Now, this is a thin piece of wood, so the possibility of it flexing when shipping is real. Fama wood is not a stretchy, flexible product, so I recommend spray sealing and then resin. But if it's just for your own wall, you really don't have to do that. I hope you give this product a try. It is a wonderful experience. Love you, bye.